Hmm. Taglit.
Na magugulat ka, saglit pa rin. Bakit mo ako? Tignan mo talaga, wala to. Ayun na. Hello.
Don't tell me it's wrong, cause it's not. I don't trust nobody, I put up this false. They just wanna use me until I dry it up. Fake faces come and go. And I don't know where I should go. Cause I got no place to call a home. Fake faces come and go.
Second opening, ito yung
Sarap
tinatawag
na.
naming Fat Money Squeezer. Ibig sabihin, maliit yung dadaanan natin. Para mag-fit kayo, so kailangan ng squeezer. Okay, the third opening, yung opening na medyo maluwag.
Hindi naman lahat yung papasokan.
Okay, baby elephant, ito yung ulo niya, yung front.
Ang daming buko. Siyempre order tayo Bicol Express. Ito.
Tatawa ako sa galit ni Mama. Go, sige. Kasi kasama natin isa.
Ano?
Dito. Ay, naku talaga.
Kita sa iba yun. May rainbow. Itong kaya tayo dyan. Pakita mo si Ligas.